First we need to create a new text file, and here we will maintain the language HTML. Okay, and Control S, select the desktop location, and here we will create a folder wave 001. Okay, select this HTML. Here we will type the index. Okay, we need to select again HTML. Okay, and here we need to type the HTML5. We need to select this HTML5. Okay, right now I am going to create a button. So here we will type the input, type text, sorry, button. Okay, and here we will create a CSS part. For input we need to first type here style open and close tag. Under this style tag we need to apply the CSS for this button. So here we are going to type here because this is a input tag, then we need to input selector or tag selector. Okay, we can say element selector or tag selector. So here I have the input, so sorry for that, input. Here we will apply. First we will see how is looking this page. You can see here have no text. First we need to add the text or value, not text, here will be the value. So here we will type the submit. Okay, and this is a input, this is a element selector. Here we will type the padding. First we need to see how is looking now. Submit. Okay, so padding 10 px, background color, here we need to select this different color. Okay, and border none, and here we need to apply the hover color. So input hover. Okay, here we will apply on hover. Okay, so here only we need to change the background color. So copy this, and here we need to apply the different color mode. Okay, you can see hover is working properly, and here we need to change the color of the text of the button. Color F. Okay, so we need to put as a center. Then we need to here add a division dot center. This is the center class. We need to put here dot center. This is a class selector, text alignment center. and the top 50%, and here it will not apply because here we need to add the position relative, not relative. Here we apply the absolute.